Alright, so this is the New Year in America, Los Angeles. We have a little bit of fireworks, but not as crazy as in the Philippines. And this is my little nieces. Vamos! Woohoo! You're not scared of the fireworks? Serenity, she's scared of fireworks, huh? You gonna do the fireworks? Does she know how to do it?
Which way do I hold it?
Did you come on?
Like this.
Okay, but you're not gonna go close.
Like this. You hold it. No, come here. I need one. Here. Oh, careful. Uh-oh. She gonna be able to jump?
Ikaw, naghahawak ka naman dati niya na.
Here, Serenity, here.
That's ano.
Here.
Metal.
It doesn't even.
Happy New Year!
What a cry baby.
Tingnan mo.
See? She's good. Look. Ah. Serenity is
Hinihipan yata.
a baby.
Yan.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god! You said, oh my god! You know, like they said, all the round stuff in the Philippines, you have to get it this New Year. It's good luck. This is mommy.
Oh my God!
Mommy.
Yum yum.
Soup for the mommy.
Oh my God!
Balut.
Dali.
The little doggies.
Get a strawberry.
What is this?
Oh,
Huh?
what's
Huh?
that? What's that?
You want this?
Is that? Is that?
Oh, you fell. I think Serenity is the princess, right? Let's see. And this one is what? Trying to be invisible?
You're not. Dad, how do we get 2 people?
It's good for 2 people? Yeah. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Hi, wow. She likes. It's okay, you can practice tomorrow. So, ano gagawin natin? Ay, ito mo, sir. Ano?
Wala, magtatanong na. Tatanong mo na ito. Tatanong mo na ito kami. Mamaya na, i-rewind natin.
Pwede rewind to?
Sa ulo. Oh! Yan na pala. 2025! 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Within 1 minute?
Oo.
Oh, shit.
Sumahala ka.
Pinahirapan tayo ni AJ.
Ay no, ewan ko kay AJ.
Saan ka ba, AJ? Saan
Ay
ka ba?
gago. Ben, nalaglag, pakihugas.
Di na, wala pa naman 5 seconds.
Wala pa yan.
Wala naman tumatapak dito. Ayan na.
Basta kakain lang ako ha.
Pakita mo yung mesa. Pakita mo yung mesa.
Kakain lang ako ha.
Ayan. Happy New Year!
Sarap.
Ano yung sabihin nito?
Ibig sabihin daw na magkakajowa ka this year.
Ay, ayoko. Pwede mo ulit. Buti na natin inuman.
Pwede ka mo kumain ng ano.
Wait lang. Bago kayo mamaya.
Mapatinginin daw kami ng buko ni Ashton.
Ng dessert. Baka kailangan kumain ka ng dessert after.
Bakit bawal maglaba?
May mamamotoy daw to.
Oh shit.
Homemade.
Homemade? Oo, ganda ng box ah.
Ano may inumin natin?
Ito raw sabi ni AJ. Dahil rare cask daw to eh, rare cask. Mas wala. Kung mamahalit to ah.
Wala ka magagawa.
Uy, what's may... Sobrang ano, hindi makita kung saan. Wow! Yun.
Basta sa akin talaga.
Okay na, sara na natin. Ano to? Is that ice?
Yeah. Regalo ni Janet sa akin.
Black ice?
No, it's stones.
Black ice.
If I drink too much of this, I'll have black ice.
Nag-age kasi ako.
Ganyan ka naman, tapos gusto mo ba? How come
Ano,
you're
bigat.
asking for too
Gag-
much?
Oh, good.
Mamamali ako.
Real gold or what?
Simple conversation,
What the
hindi
fuck?
mo mabigay.
Bibili lang talaga ako ng ano. Bibili lang talaga ako ng mamahaling alak kapag pangregalo ko. Pero sa sarili ko never. It's crazy. Sinasanay ako ng ano eh. Yung
Sinashot lang.
Sinashot lang. Okay,
Hindi, tumatanda ka na eh.
Ng
Pero
cheers.
kapag nandun ka na sa point na yung you're just enjoying it for...
Yeah. Dinala ko dati nito eh, sa whiskey distillery.
Oh,
Wow, tapos nagalit sa akin yung yung nagbibigay ng alak. Sabi kasi, this is 150 years old. Pagbigay niya sa akin, sinat ko agad. Tapos humingi ako ng tubig. Ayaw ko bigyan ng tubig.
we have a chaser.
Sabi nung mata nung lalaki,
Let me explain pa lang.
hindi mo lang inamoy yun.
Okay. Cheers. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Ay, nako. Grabe naman yan, ang itim. Ba't ang itim?
Oh shit. That's why. Ang sarap, grabe.
Dahil hindi mo lagyan ng yelo to.
Panalo, bro.
Isang ice.
Oo, isang ice. Alagay.
Dito mo talaga malalaman yung yung quality.
Sure.
Ah.
Tapos pag in-open mo, hindi,
Yan ba yan?
try mo, spreadable na siya.
Oh, wow. Lambot, no?
Ang lasa.
Lasang yung sa Pilipinas, yung nakalagay dun sa...
Pero basically, yung water,
Sarap.
sinisil yung air para walang pumasok na bacteria.
Wow.
Okay, off the record, off the record, off the record.
Off the record,
Off the
Ian
record.
likes to suck small dick. Because he said, a big dick makes him choke.
Ito na po, Dick.
Siyempre, mali yan.
Okay, ubos na isa. So, now we're...
Pero, tapos ito.
Yung bukas na. Ay, Happy New Year. Thank you, thank you. Ako na rin, ito na rin. Tara.
Ito naman sa akin. Ito naman sa akin. Ito naman.
Yan, pinakamasarap. Yan.
Para makulo kayo. Regalo sa akin yan ng birthday ko.
Let me...
Hindi. Okay lang. Regalo sa akin yan ng birthday ko.
Wow. Yan na. Shit. It's a rare spirit. Espresso, intensity,
Signet.
age. Wow. Signet. Yeah. Social. Wow. Ayoko na yan. Grabe. Sobrang masarap daw, smoky. Woo! Tapos parang coffee, no? Kaya pala nakasulat doon na espresso something. Bottle service.
Oh.
With this,
Ito.
blue label. Yeah! Dalawang shot din to eh. Bottle service, bitch!
Sa ulo.
Shotgun.